Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, January the 20th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this binary 10 by 10. Yes, it's a 10 by 10 puzzle. Let me zoom this out. Okay, this will be number 7838. I've told you it's a 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. And this one has, before I start, I always count up 20 digits, 27 20 digits. Okay, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here, oh, double one, here no, there no. And now the double O's, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. Then double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for this O and the 1 there with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two O's comes in 1. Well. 1, 2, 3. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's an O's and an O and a 1 there. Same for there, O and a 1. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then, yeah. Then I need to think again. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3. Oh, double one. Here no, there no. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So if the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, so that box should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Finish. 5 minutes. Wow. We sold again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the last puzzle in this puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.